Hello friends, good evening. My name Renu Das. So friends, today I'm going to explain you my topic strategy or drug deliver targeted to the brain. What are the strategy and how does it the drug delivered and targeted to the brain? So, friends, following containers are given. Serial number 1, introduction to barrier to CNS drug delivery, efflux mechanism in drug transfer to the brain, approaches for increasing brain penetration, psychologically factors affecting drug delivery to the CNS, strategy for drug delivery to the brain. For following this all explanation, so friends, I told you that please like and subscribe my channel so that the further this topic information you get one by one. So in this topic I explain you only what are the barrier to the CNS drug delivery, and that is serial number second. So first I give you some introduction about this topic. Disease of the central nervous system. It is mainly point is about brain. Brain, it is the part of the central nervous system. Central nervous system, this one is a part of the nervous system, and nervous system is depend on voluntary involuntary actions of our body. It's play a many vital role in our body, and this nervous system, it mainly divide into two parts, major parts, that one is central and peripheral. And this topic which I going to explain you introduction is a central nervous system, and it is mainly pointed to the brain. In this topic I explain you that a large part of the world is population brain in disease occurs such as stroke, ischemia, HIV infections, and anxiety, depressions, which are mainly occurs student or any other pressures work which are going to done. And these are the neurodegenerative disease such as Alzheimer disease, Parkinson disease, etc. Brain tumor, this is one of the tragedy in our world population which are going on. And unfortunately few safe and effective methods are known for the diagnosis and the treatment of the CNS disorder, but it is not give us a complete recovered about that disorders. Some anatomical characteristics and the following things which are explained in the CNS, but the main introduction of this topic I give you only that the disease of the central nervous system. And this according to the disease, it affect mainly the large part of the world is population, and mainly a brain tumor and Alzheimer disease and neurodegenerative disease, Alzheimer, Parkinson disease, etc. And these are the following symptoms such as movement related memories and dementia, and due to a gradual losses of the neurons, etc. And introductions for this second topic is the barrier to CNS drug delivery. What are the barriers involved in this CNS brain? CNS mainly point related to the brain, and drug delivered to the brain and targeted to the brain. How to get recover from this particular disease, neurodegenerative disease, and etc. So there are the two psychological barriers, physical barrier which are involved in the passive diffusion. That one is blood brain barrier, and second one is the most common of our that we know, blood cerebro spinal fluid barrier. Blood cerebrospinal fluid barrier. So friends, one by one we all should going to study about these particular barriers which are involved in the CNS and how to get recovered from this disease, which are uploaded in the next video. Thank you so much, and please like and subscribe my channel so that you get update about the next video. Thank you so much.